Hi everybody, I am going to re-pour this. I'm gonna, hang on. There we go. That way I have a little room for error. If I move the wood, you'll still be able to see. So this is a painting that I showed a couple videos ago. I'm wondering if I should re-pour it, which I probably should have already known the answer myself because it has been sitting here, gosh, well, under a year, but a long time, and I haven't resined it. So that means I have loved this, but not, I don't know. But I want to hold true to this. So I'm going to use the same colors, well, not same, but similar colors, but white background. Believe it or not, there is blue in here. So I've got, this is Prussian blue mixed with Payne's gray. Got a little bit of gold. I've got unbleached titanium, which is the background to this. I've got burnt umber mixed with Grumbacher iridescent white, which is not really a white. It's like a weird, but it's like a really now shimmery kind of milk chocolatey. Then I've got burnt sienna with iridescent medium. I just mixed this. It already looks like it separated. Oh, it's a little on the thin side, that's why. But it will be okay. And then this is copper. All right. Ah. Alrighty, I am bum. Oh gosh, how much do I want? I'm gonna get a smaller cup. I'm just gonna use this 3-ounce solo cup. So a little copper. Yeah, I'll just keep it on there. I'm gonna pour this in between the colors. Yeah, not in that. This color is so unique, so interesting. Gold always sinks. Copper. Okay, so this solo cup is 3 ounces. So I want it at least half full. Whoa, that was, kind of got carried away with that one. This color, I wish you guys could see it. I mean, this is probably going to do nothing, but I don't even know if you can see it, but it's so cool. Yeah, the blues stayed on top. All right, so that is approximately half. I was gonna say half full. Look at me, an optimist. I can always add more, I suppose. Oh, so this is my white that I always use. You know, I probably should have taken pictures of that. Because as I said, I really liked the design, the colors. Oh well. Thought was there, just a tad too late. And this is, I believe, a 10 by 20 MDF that I am pouring on. And I wish my MDF guy, he never got back to me. After this video, I'm going to text him, if I remember. The scene, it's just the shadows. I'm not sure what technique I used in this, if it was a, it looked kind of like an open cut swirl kind of thing. I'm not positive. Let's see what it does before I start messing with it. My sad little flame. I don't even have time tomorrow to run and get more, but I also don't have time to paint, so I guess it's a win-win. Trying to decide if I want it to go off the edge or not. The white looks so stark. Sure if I want the straw or not. the edges on the MDF dry really fast. I mean, it helps that this has already had a couple of coats on it. So it's a little better. I just stuck my shirt in it. At least it was just on the white part. Wow, I like this a whole heck of a lot. I can see tons of air bubbles, so normally I wouldn't torch this long. There's a lot of little air bubbles in there. I like it. Usually I would get rid of all these air bubbles. Color is going to keep coming up from that one, I believe. Because usually I don't like that, and I would then go in and, you know, do my cup swirly thing. Look at those, that little area. Oh my God, why is that so blurry? There we go. So I am really pleased with it. I wish I had taken pictures of the one underneath, but I like this one a lot. I really like the colors. Here is, oh, see, you just can't get a good, it's hard to see it, but it's a really cool color. So anywho, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.